Looking to make some extra cash without breaking the bank? With just a small investment of $25 per week, you can start your journey to earning over $5,000 a month. Yes, you heard that right.
$5,000 sounds amazing.
It's possible. In this video, I'll show you and John simple and practical tips that investors keep secret. I'll show you the drip strategy and how you can make it even better. And in the end, I'll show you how using this strategy, you can turn a $25 per week investment into an over $500,000 portfolio paying over $5,000 in monthly dividends.
And I am here to triple that income. How does it sound? So step number one, you watch this video. If you don't have time, don't worry. I have already analyzed the whole system using AI, and I will show you a super simple 4-step process called GROW. Starting with G, and you're going to make money from this point. Get started with a plan.
Here's how it works. Imagine you own shares in a company that pays dividends. Instead of taking those dividends as cash, you reinvest them to buy more shares.
So you spend just $25 of investments and you earn dividends. And then instead of spending or enjoying that money to buy Lamborghinis, you will reinvest. And you keep doing this automatically. Okay, you have to keep optimizing. And finally, you enjoy watching compound interest. Now, when it comes to interest, you need to do your due diligence and ask your favorite scholar whether it's halal or haram. I am not a financial advisor and I'm not a scholar, so I cannot tell you right or wrong.
The drip strategy and have the potential to turn a small investment of $25 per week into over a $500,000 portfolio that pays over $5,000 per month. But first, let's see why these categories of stocks matter.
We're going to stop talking about this video right here because we need to move on to the next one. You can watch this video anytime you want. You might have noticed this video was a faceless video, and this channel is a faceless channel, and they makes approximately $253 to way up to $4,000 a month. You might argue, Mosh, I don't have knowledge on finance or this type of thing. Why worry, my friend? Even I don't have knowledge, but I have AI. Look at this. I built my own AI agent to analyze any video and give me summarized step-by-step formula to learn and implement the process. I made another AI agent to write an interesting, captivating story from anyone's content. So use AI and learn skills and knowledge fast. Then use that skills and knowledge to make faceless channels. Now, once you start making money, you become a guru of faceless channels, and you can teach others how to make money from faceless channels. That's exactly how I started. Back when I started, the first thing I did became affiliates of affiliate offers and sent traffic to the affiliate offers, and I made affiliate commission. This is one of my Warrior Plus accounts, and we made $35,000 in passive affiliate commissions recent. Now that I know about affiliate marketing, I can teach others how to get the same results. Alhamdulillah, we are doing it and we are pretty successful. Look at our beginner members of our mentorship and 99% done for you program. After they joined our program, they learned affiliate marketing, they learned how to get free traffic from social media, and we did all the technical work for them. It's amazing to see beginner members earning $300, $500, $1,000, $650 in passive affiliate commission. If you want to learn about our program, it's super simple. There is a link in the description. Go check it out, watch the free training and learn everything. And at the end of the training, we will tell you in details about our program, and you can decide whether it is right for you or not. And if you have any question, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer you. Okay, now you are earning $5,000 per month from investments, dividends, and probably compound interest if it's halal. And you earn another $5,000 from faceless channels. You might be saying, Mosh, these guys are just making $4,000. Why are you saying $5,000? Because, my friend, you are not going to put your videos only on YouTube. You're going to put your videos on YouTube to earn $3,000 to $5,000 per million views from AdSense. The same videos on Facebook and earn $8,750 to $10,000 from Facebook. And you upload the same videos on TikTok and earn $100 to $600 to way up to $1,000 per million views. If you stay consistent and resilient, you will be earning much more than $5,000 per month from this. Now that you are making money from this, you can teach others how to do it through a course and charge $500 per student. Just for 10 sales, you will make additional $5,000 a month, and it's super easy. You can add done for you offer and charge $10,000 or even much more depending on what you are offering and who you are offering to. You can also offer one-on-one mentorship and charge $50,000 or even more. It all started from a little action that you have taken right now. So can you tell me when is the right time to start? You're right. It was yesterday, and the next best time is today. And you can absolutely start from the link in the description. Watch the free training, learn about our program, and check how we can help you with a 99% done for you system. If you like it, still have questions, shoot me DMs on Instagram. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. And if you think it is not for you, it's still awesome. We're still friends. Sounds good? Go watch the free training. In case you're wondering what software you use to create these kind of videos, my highest recommendation is something called Instadoodle. The founder of Instadoodle is my good friend Vlad. We just met him in Dubai. And did you notice this comment? Even my mentor Michael Cheney said, I used Thumbnail Blaster a ton, which was also created by Vlad. I will leave a link to Instadoodle in the description below. You can see all the tutorials are right here. Let me quickly show you how it works. Click this generate with AI, and I want to write, basically I want to create a man like this, a young man wearing green polo shirt, happy and showing thumb up. Let's see what we get. Click generate. Oh, this looks good. I'm going to add this to library. Now I will click this young man and he is added to my scene. Cool stuff. Now let's play. This is cool. You can select properties and settings right here, the transition type, the drawing speed, the type of hands. Did you like this video? If yes, give me a like. If not, also give me a like. Share with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And to learn more money-making techniques, watch these videos and this video. And we'll see you in the next one.